Okay, we are going to learn how to design this product flyer using a Pixellab. Okay, let's head over to Pixellab. All right, so first of all, you choose your image size, which is square. The width and the height are of the same size. Okay, 1280, 1280. Then choose your color. I've already made the color, but I will do it again. All right. Um, I'm using a gradient color, which means a mixture of two colors. The first color I'm using is a dark color. You can see it's very dark. Then the second color I'm using, this is here, is very bright red, a mixture of like whitish red color. You can see that over here. You can see it. So that's the second color. So, and here we go. So this is the background. All right, then the next thing is to start adding your text. Okay, but before you do that, I'll use a grid line to mark, remember, for the alignment, because I would like the text at the left hand corner to appear at the same margin, to have a common margin. So I will use my grid line. So I would like them to be like this. All right, so this particular grid line will mark them for me. Then I'll then head over to add my text. All right, the first thing there is new arrival. I believe most of them are in capital letter. New arrival. All right, so I move it. I can use this to move it. Okay, new arrival. All right, the second one is I'll copy it anyways. I have to copy it. The second one is special. Okay, then I'll still copy. Third one, there is collection. All right, okay, so we'll move them down a little bit. Well, so I choose my font. I'll begin here to choose the font. The font I use for new arrival and collection is Ace New Font. I head over to my font, then search for it, Ace. But in case if you don't have Sans demo, you can use Montserrat. You can use Montserrat for it. So I use Sans demo. Okay, then for special I used a Montserrat deep black. Montserrat black, that is what I used. All right, so now we hold over to their sizes. Okay, their size is not a big deal. For new arrival and collection they have 70, so you just push them to 70. Then special has 105 in size. The new arrival is also 70 with collection. So just all right. So this is it, man. We almost done with the design, so you can see that it is simple. Let me remove the grid so that you can see. Okay, so this is it. Now we add our sandals. We add the image. I've already downloaded it. Just go to your downloads or upload them. Okay, this is it. Okay, all right, then the next thing is there is a grid line over here. Okay, we add our phone number. add our phone number. Okay, which particular thing will I like to use? I will, okay, use this, add phone number. You can type anything there. So drag it. You can use a Montserrat as the font, but not the black one. Montserrat bold. Montserrat bold can go. Okay, so I'll use the grid line to, okay, thank God it has the same with the grid. So the next thing is to add shop now, right? I'll still use the Montserrat, so I will copy this. Once I copy it, I edit and write shop now. Then the shop now has a background. It has a white background. So what I will do, I will add a white background to it. You remember how to add your background? Yes, don't worry. Then I will make it a little bit longer. Then the radius, make the edges to be curved a little bit. That is the work of a radius. Then now the background is in white and the color of the text is in white, so you won't see the color of the text. So you change the color of the text to that red so that you can be able to see it. Okay, so this is it. All right. It will let's use a grid line so that it will appear in the same line with the phone number. Man, our design is almost complete. Our design is almost complete. Then the next thing is to start adding all the patterns, all right, that make them look beautiful. You can see there is the dotted line that I added there. So what I do, I downloaded it, so I will send you the copy. So what I do is I change the color to white, then reduce the size. Reduce the size. Okay, maybe I'll copy it again and add it so that it will appear again. Okay, so man, this is our designs. Okay, the remaining thing is to start adding there is some whitish the background. I added some little circles and triangle. Those ones are simple. Just this is a circle. You can reduce the size. uh can even add it anywhere you want to add it. Just make sure it's small, like this one. Okay, then another thing is the circle where we added the 50% discount. You can remember it. This is it. So you just add it. We won't have time for that. How I formed this circle, just pay attention. Once you add a circle through the shapes, okay, just make sure that the circle has the red color. Then go to shadows and add shadows to it. So add shadows to it. That is why it is appearing that way. Then we would have time. I don't want this video to be too long. It won't exceed more than 10 minutes. So the next thing is to start adding those the discount. Also use Montserrat as the font for 50%. Okay, just let's maybe you can do this quickly now. Copy, edit, 50%. Increase the size a bit. Voila, this is our design. So we stop here.